Hi, in front of me is the OPPO Find X2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard's theme on this OPPO. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and choose Additional Settings. After that, tap on Keyboard and Input Method, choose your current keyboard, in my case Gboard, and go into Theme. Now click on this plus sign under My Themes and select the photo that you want to apply as your keyboard's background. I will go with that one. Now you can pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, click Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap Done. Lastly, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them and tap Apply. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!